All right, guys, Quincy with CenterPoint Connect here, and I wanted to talk about some of the new updates to our system. Very recently, we have added our notification center. So inside of the bell icon on your homepage, inside of this notification center, you're going to see all of your recent notifications and mentions. Teammates tagging you in proposals, service tickets, quotes. All of those notifications will feed into this hub. You're still going to receive your email notifications and your text message notifications. This is just another add-on to that, and it's going to help close that loop and give you the best visibility possible. Jumping down into the left-hand bar, we have our opportunity list. Everybody wants to see their pipeline. Everybody wants to know what's quoted, what's sold, what's open. And we go in here and we can set up filters. So for example, if we wanted to look at all the leads created last month, and maybe of those, the ones that are closed, right? This is going to allow us to set up different custom reports without having to spend a lot of time figuring them out, right? We can have our own preset report for our sales report, our service sales report. So this is going to make it much easier to pull the data you need quicker. So here's a little bit of how that looks. We can go in here, select this week, for example. We want to see, actually we're going to go off of created time in the last 3 months, and we'll leave this set up to today. Then we want to see all the jobs that are new, lead, pending, and quote, for example. So this is going to give us everything that's in our pipeline as what we're looking at right here. There's not much in here, so maybe we want to move back a few days. We can. I'm going to remove this little filter here and apply it. So this is going to apply the filter to my opportunity list, and it looks like we've got 7 opportunities in the new, lead, pending, and quoted stages. So we can see the recent activity on these, the quoted dates, the estimate dates. Depending on what you need to see, you're going to turn different filters on. Of course, different members in the organization are going to be looking for different fields. So just wanted to show you guys these 2 little updates here. The last one I'll tag in right before I cut us off. I'm going to jump into a service work order here. We now have the ability to add materials to a work order. So if the technicians that are using our mobile app, if they don't get all of those materials into the job, they might have forgot the nails, the cleaner, the rags, right? You can now go in from the office side and backfill what the technicians didn't put into the ticket, so that when you send the invoice, you know what that job cost. So wanted to come on, show you guys some of the cool new features with CenterPoint, and if you're not a customer already, we'd love to talk to you. Jump on our website, fill out a demo request, and we'll talk with you soon. Thanks. Bye, guys.